To withdraw money from a Barclays ATM, start by locating a Barclays ATM machine near you. You can use the Barclays website or mobile app to find the nearest ATM. Once you have found an ATM, follow these steps. First, insert your Barclays debit or credit card into the card reader. Make sure to insert the card with the chip facing upwards and the magnetic stripe facing downwards. The ATM will then prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN. Type in your PIN correctly to proceed. Next, select the language you prefer and choose the Withdraw Cash option from the menu. The ATM will then ask you to select the account you want to withdraw from, such as your current account or savings account. Choose the account you want to use and proceed to the next step. The ATM will then prompt you to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Use the keypad to enter the amount, and make sure to check that the amount is correct before proceeding. The ATM will also inform you of any transaction fees or limits that apply to your account. Once you have confirmed the amount, the ATM will dispense the cash and print out a receipt. Take your card, cash, and receipt from the ATM. It is a good idea to check the receipt to ensure that the transaction was successful and that the amount is correct. To avoid any issues, make sure to have sufficient funds in your account before making a withdrawal. Also, be aware of any daily withdrawal limits that may apply to your account. It is also a good idea to keep your receipt and check your account balance regularly to ensure that your account is secure and up to date. In addition, when using a Barclays ATM, make sure to keep your card and PIN secure. Do not share your PIN with anyone, and cover the keypad when entering your PIN to prevent anyone from seeing it. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely withdraw money from a Barclays ATM.